Hey everyone, welcome back. Today we're delving into a topic that might sound technical at first, but is absolutely vital for national security. The maintenance of British military equipment. We're talking about the recent developments involving Babcock International and their role in ensuring that the UK's defence hardware stays mission-ready. Let's break this down. First, some background. For those who might not know, Babcock International has been a cornerstone in the UK's defence sector for decades. Just like how your car needs regular servicing to run smoothly, military equipment from advanced fighter jets to armoured vehicles requires constant upkeep. This maintenance is what keeps the armed forces ready for any situation. Historically, the UK has relied on robust partnerships between the government and private industry to keep its military assets in top condition. Babcock's expertise isn't new. It's been built over years of working closely with the Ministry of Defence. And in today's geopolitical climate, where technology evolves at lightning speed and threats emerge unexpectedly, ensuring that every piece of equipment is reliable is more important than ever. Now let's dive into what the Defence Post article tells us. The report outlines a series of contracts and initiatives involving Babcock, all aimed at enhancing the maintenance and lifecycle management of British military equipment. Here are the major points. First, scope and scale of operations. Babcock's contract covers a wide range of systems, from the upkeep of armoured vehicles to the maintenance of critical support and communication systems. This comprehensive approach isn't just about fixing what's broken, it's about preemptively ensuring that these systems can handle modern combat demands. Second, technological advancements and challenges. The military is not static. Modern defence equipment integrates cutting-edge technology that requires specialised knowledge to maintain. Babcock is tasked with not only routine repairs but also with incorporating upgrades and adapting to the ever-evolving technology landscape. This means employing advanced diagnostic tools and continuous training for technical staff. And finally, cost efficiency and budget management. With defence budgets under constant scrutiny, every pound spent must deliver value. The article points out that Babcock's maintenance programme is seen as a benchmark for balancing quality and cost-effectiveness. Their ability to keep equipment operational while managing expenses is crucial for the UK's fiscal discipline, especially in times of global uncertainty. Let's now consider the strategic implications of this contract. When you think about it, the entire defence capability of a nation hinges on the reliability of its equipment. If maintenance isn't up to par, then even the most advanced weaponry can fail at the worst possible moment. Babcock's work ensures that the armed forces are not caught off guard, maintaining a high level of preparedness. In an era where cyber threats and technological disruptions are increasingly common, the role of a maintenance provider goes beyond physical repairs. It involves upgrading systems to meet new security challenges and integrating modern digital solutions into traditional maintenance frameworks. This proactive stance can be a game-changer, helping the military to adapt faster to new threats. Beyond national security, contracts like these have significant economic implications. They support high-skilled jobs and stimulate technological innovation within the defence industry. If successful, Babcock's model could pave the way for more efficient public-private partnerships, not just in the UK, but potentially in other allied nations as well. Now, you might wonder, why does all of this matter to us? Here's the broader picture. In today's interconnected world, the strength of one nation's defence can have ripple effects on global security. A well-maintained military force in the UK helps deter potential aggressors and contributes to overall stability in Europe. In this sense, Babcock's role isn't just about keeping British equipment in working order, it's about upholding a system of collective security that benefits many. As conflicts become more technologically driven, the emphasis on maintenance and lifecycle management will only increase. This initiative sets a precedent. Other nations will be watching closely to see how effectively the UK can sustain its defence capabilities, and this could influence how future contracts are structured worldwide. To sum it all up, the article from the Defence Post highlights a critical, if behind-the-scenes, aspect of national defence. Babcock's maintenance contracts may not make the front-page headlines like new weapons systems or diplomatic breakthroughs, but they are the backbone of military readiness. They ensure that when the time comes, every piece of equipment, from the smallest component to the most complex system, is reliable and effective. This is a reminder that defense isn't just about flashy innovations. It's about the hard, consistent work that keeps everything running smoothly. As global challenges continue to evolve, investments in maintenance and technological adaptation will be key to safeguarding national security. Thanks for tuning in. If you found this deep dive insightful, do hit that like button, share your thoughts in the comments, and subscribe for more comprehensive explanations on global affairs and strategic developments. Stay informed, stay curious, and I'll see you in the next video.